So I'd like to just say a few final words. I don't want to keep anyone too long. I know you've heard a ton, but a few intertwined threads here. We had some brands that are on the front line, Dell, Watson's and Interface, all doing pretty big changes. They committed to that. And I think when we look at the leadership and what Patrick said at Interface is stepping off the cliff, I thought was a pretty great term because they just are going for it. And in my view, this is what we really need, is these leaders who are going for it. And luckily they have the CEOs or the shareholder ability to make those decisions and say, we think this is right, we know it's right, and this is where we're going, and others hopefully can replicate that and see what's possible in their own space within that industry. And the more we can get those good case studies to happen, even if it's a small one in a city with a small brand, because you work out a bring-back program with a university, just get those little snowballs going. Because the more those little snowballs go, then the more chance the next guy in the next city and the next state will say, oh my gosh, I can do that too. And I can scale that and I can maybe make that bigger. And so I think that is our challenge. You've all heard a lot today and hopefully had a lot of seeds planted. I'd like to thank, obviously, all of you for staying here. And I hope you had a great session and can really now start to make matches and collaborate with each other, because that's those 1 + 1 + 1 = 5 equations that really make a difference. And so we're going to go upstairs, have a drink in the garden on the 5th floor. A couple thank yous. Thank you again to the World Plastics Council, to Dow, BASF, NatureWorks, Covestro, International New York Times, and all of our supporters and partners we had here in Shanghai, CBI, China Bridge, Successful Design and Green Initiatives, with our workshop tomorrow for those of you who are coming, 8:30 for a 9 o'clock sharp start on circular economy and packaging design. It's going to be a very good half-day session. And if we can get the next slide up there, you guys. One of the things that I think is missing when you talk about leadership and we talked about consumers, and Kim said with the recycled bottle, we went to 100% rPET, that the consumers never know to ask for recycled content because they never had it. They don't even know in Hong Kong that you can ask for that and demand it. So how do we get them to want it? And that requires, again, the leadership and also the designers to make things interesting and sexy, and the advertisers to turn that story into something valuable. And I personally believe those two categories are missing a lot at these kind of discussions. And so we are launching, the first time we've done Plasticity 2 times in a year. We're launching Plasticity London in September as part of the London Design Festival in September 21st with the Royal College of Arts, to hopefully get the design community into this discussion, whether it's for product or process, brain process, challenging the municipalities' collection and the materials, and bringing that discussion. So we hope you can spread the word on that, share the wealth, and hopefully see you there, or back here, or maybe in Guangzhou, and CHINAPLAS goes there, I don't know, but we need all of you to support this cause. We will get the PowerPoints up as soon as we have the capacity to do so. And also the videos will come at some point. If anyone is interested to help us translate those videos to put in subtitles in Chinese, obviously that would help greatly to spread the word into this market and all your friends who you've already talked to. So talk to one of us who can help with that. Headphones, special thanks to Peter Pan and his team on the translation on the Hyatt for listening and take your headsets back out, please, and let's go have a drink on the 5th floor. Thank you, everyone.